Once again, good evening to all. Already previous class we discussed about what is a carbohydrates, what are carbohydrates, classification of carbohydrates based on taste, based on number of saccharide units, etc. We discussed that. A reaction of acetic anhydride with glucose indicates. So whenever reaction glucose reacts with acetic anhydride, pentaacetyl derivative is formed. Pentaacetyl derivatives indicate that presence of 5 OH groups in a glucose molecule. As a result, presence of 5 OH groups in a glucose molecule indicates this is incorrect. The correct answer is the thing. This is the correct answer. To make a correction, this is correct. Reaction of acetic anhydride with glucose indicates the presence of 5 OH groups, not presence of CHO. CHO group presence is indicated by using like a Torrance reagent and failing solution, and we get reducing sugar. That is called test for CHO, but not OH. But the OH group test and reaction with acetic anhydride. Pentaester derivative is formed. That's a correct representation of glucose. D plus glucose है, D minus glucose है, D glucose है, अच्छा L glucose. What is correct representation of the representation? आप देख लीजिए. अच्छा, for our kind information, this is called glyceraldehyde. In glyceraldehyde. अच्छा, glyceraldehyde you can check it. Glyceraldehyde. Last but one carbon में वही चीज. Right hand side is there. This is capital D. D glyceraldehyde. D glyceraldehyde. अच्छा, small d, small plus is different type. Capital D, capital is different. This is relative configuration. This is a D glyceraldehyde. D glyceraldehyde. अच्छा, like glucose also CHO. Shall I write like this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अच्छा, 3RH I think you might know very well. 3RH है. 3RH है. Second का third carbon में add to the right hand side. अच्छा, remaining cases में left hand side. Then you can write OH groups. Then you will write OH groups. यहाँ OH group है, यहाँ OH group है, यहाँ OH group है, यहाँ OH. Now देखो compare करो last button का. Last button का. Just like glyceraldehyde. So glucose nothing but it is prepared from D glyceraldehyde. That it belongs to this. Acha D. Acha all are D are only there. You have to eliminate this option definitely. Among three options again minus plus क्या है? Naturally available glucose is dextrorotated. Naturally means plus or minus, or small d and small m. So naturally available glucose is this one. D plus, not D minus. This is correct representation of glucose. So now open chain structure of glucose is studied previous video. Now what is the why cyclic structure of glucose proposed? If aldehyde group is free, then glucose can react with the sodium bisulfite also, can react with phenylhydrazine also directly, but it is not happening. Not react with ammonia also. It is not happening. That's why in glucose CHO group is not free. It is not free. If it is free, then it definitely react with sodium bisulfite. Definitely react with ammonia and derivatives also, but it is not happening. That's why cyclic structure of glucose is proposed. अच्छा देखो, if glucose, if in glucose, if CHO group is free, if CHO group is free CHO group is there, then definitely it can react with the C double bond O. It can react with sodium bisulfite also directly. Achha, it can react with 2,4 DNP also. It can react with ammonia also. It is happening because if CO group is free, whether it is aldehyde or ketones, if COH group is free, then it should react with this compound. But it is not happening. Glucose cannot react with the 2,4 DNP, Schiff's reagent, and sodium bisulfite. So additional adducts are not forming. That indicates that CHO group is not free. That means it is not an open chain structure. open chain structure of glucose discarded and ring chain structure of the glucose proposed only because of this reason. If they may ask the question, objective question, which of the following tests indicates that glucose having cyclic structure? So what are the objections in a open chain structure of glucose? These are objections. If CHO group is free, then definitely it can react sodium bisulfate, definitely react with the Schiff's reagent, ammonia, like to come up word for DNP, but it is not happening. That's why cyclic structure of glucose is proposed. Achha, alpha, beta, I think we know alpha D glucose, beta D glucose, they are called anomers. If any two isomers are differ by C1 configuration, those are nothing but anomers. And the previous video we discussed epimers, C2 epimers like glucose and mannose, glucose and galactose are C4 epimers. Configuration difference C2 and C4 are epimers. The C1 configuration is called, these are called alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. Achha, देखो, how we write alpha D glucose and beta D glucose? अच्छा अल्फा बीटा वन सेकेंड अल्फा फॉर्म और बीटा फॉर्म अच्छा कैसा देखो आई विल एक्सप्लेन अच्छा चलो ग्लूकोज का मतलब शैल बी राइट ग्लूकोज ग्लूकोज का मतलब शैल बी राइट 3RH अरे 3RH అంటే నేను రాస్తాను CH CW బాండ్ अच्छा देखो 2 3 4 5 6 वाला CH2 ये 6 मेंबर रिंग है 6 मेंबर रिंग को फेरोनोज रिंग स्ट्रक्चर बोलते हैं 5 मेंबर रिंग को फेरोनोज रिंग स्ट्रक्चर है फ्रक्टोज फेरोनोज रिंग ग्लूकोज फेरोनोज रिंग स्ट्रक्चर 3RH याद करो 3RH अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5 6 3RH remaining case में हाइड्रोजन you have to write like this अच्छा how many secondary alkyl remaining you can write secondary alkyl group secondary alkyl group secondary alkali secondary alkali secondary alkali and bracket अच्छा what they are telling that yes CHO group is not free is it not free state that means it is a combined state in the ring form अच्छा देखो this heavy acetal ring form अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5 now along this one अच्छा ये यहाँ वो H group है so 6 member ring है that means here H plus आएंगे here acidic medium में H plus आएंगे instead of CHO shall we write here OH this group is not free this is the ring form है so we can write like this 6 member ring है six member ring है shall I start with 1 2 3 4 5 अच्छा alpha means first carbon में HOH shall we write first carbon में HOH like मैंने first carbon में HOH लिखा HOH है first carbon अच्छा second carbon में HOH again second carbon में भी HOH like HOH second carbon में HOH अच्छा थर्ड कार्बन में OH दिस डिफरेंट है वी कैन इंडिकेट सेपरेटली सेपरेट कलर से दिस इज अ डिफरेंट वे थर्ड कार्बन में शैल वी राइट H and OH अच्छा फोर्थ कार्बन अगेन HOH फोर्थ कार्बन अगेन HOH अच्छा फिफ्थ कार्बन में देखो फिफ्थ कार्बन में ओके H और CH2OH okay H or CH2OH so like anyhow CH2OH and H अच्छा ये देखो ये 6 member ring sixth carbon is not inside the ring sixth carbon so including oxygen this is 6 member ring this is called alpha D glucose अच्छा beta D glucose you can write beta D glucose है first carbon only difference remaining are same. If you want to write beta D glucose, again I go for 6-member ring है, pyranose ring structure है. अच्छा फर्स्ट कार्बन में shall write फर्स्ट कार्बन में HOH नो चेंज है. सॉरी फर्स्ट कार्बन में OH and H. फर्स्ट कार्बन ओनली चेंज है. OH and H है. सेकंड कार्बन there is no change. Remaining as is है. सेकंड कार्बन there is no change. HOH है. अच्छा थर्ड कार्बन है. फर्स्ट कार्बन HOH, सेकंड कार्बन HOH, फोर्थ कार्बन थर्ड कार्बन देखो सारे. अच्छा here OH and H. Should be different. अच्छा now देखो थर्ड कार्बन इज सेम है. थर्ड कार्बन में OH दिस साइड है H. अच्छा फोर्थ कार्बन एज इज सेम HOH है. फिफ्थ कार्बन में CH2OH है. अच्छा डिफरेंस देख लीजिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 डिफरेंस क्या है दोनों में. अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज, बीटा डी ग्लूकोज. इसे बीटा डी ग्लूकोज है. अच्छा जस्ट लाइक hemi-acetal ring है. Ethyl alcohol when react with like ammonia, like in dry HCl, the similar reactions will take place. The same way you alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. C1 configuration में difference है. So alpha D glucose, beta D glucose, what they call as anomers. Alpha D glucose, beta D glucose, they call as anomers. These two are nothing but anomers. These are nothing but anomers. अच्छा cyclic structure of glucose proposed because of three reasons. Aldehyde group is not free. How they can identify aldehyde group is not free means it should not react with sodium bisulfate. If it is free, then it should react to come up ODNP and Schiff's reagent like ammonia derivatives not freely react. That's why cyclic structure is proposed. This is cyclic structure. That means CHO is not free. मतलब it is in the form of ring form. Ring form में existence of alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. Note करो. Right. Acha, I will tell you this compound. I think in aldehyde ketone where we discussed it. Shall I? In aldehyde ketone where we discussed it. Acha, when acetaldehyde react with ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, whatever. Suppose I go for methyl alcohol in the presence of dry acid. देखो ये अल्कोक्साइड आयन ये H+ है. अच्छा दोनों में देख लीजिए कार्बन ऑक्सीजन उचित मोल इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव ऑक्सीजन. Shall we write like this CH3 CH. अच्छा ऑक्सीजन के साथ OH जाएंगे and this is a OCH. हम बोलते हैं hemi-acetal. चलो one more molecule of methyl alcohol in the dry HCl we get acetal. अच्छा this time what happened, remove of water molecule है like CH3 CH, यहाँ से OH यहाँ से H, remove of water molecule है. यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट कार्बन में अच्छा OCH3 अटैक हुआ. this is acetal है. Similarly, in case of ketone, cyclic ketone में क्या है, क्या बनेगा, कीटोन बनेगा. अच्छा इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल एक्सेट्रा you can take इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल है. अच्छा OH CH2 like OH. अच्छा रिंग स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनेगा. So alpha D glucose, beta D glucose, explain this methyl alcohol and HCl, right? This explained by these equations are explained by cyclic structure of glucose. So why cyclic structure of glucose proposed this only? When glucose react with this one, hemi-acetal ring is formed. अच्छा MEH ring is formed only because of this region only, in the base of methyl alcohol and triHCl. अच्छा, this aldehyde ketone compound we are going to discuss in Grignard reagent reactions only. There we can discuss nucleophilic addition reactions. So methyl alcohol kaavachu, ethyl alcohol kaavachu. So similar reaction now you can see. Now अच्छा देखो अल्फा ग्लूकोज है, अल्फा ग्लूकोज में फर्स्ट कार्बन में देखो HOH है, सेकंड कार्बन में HOH है, थर्ड कार्बन में OH है, फोर्थ कार्बन में HOH है, फिफ्थ कार्बन में CH2OH है, अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज। बीटा डी ग्लूकोज देख लीजिए। अच्छा फर्स्ट कार्बन ओनली डिफरेंस है, OH है एंड HOH है। अच्छा थर्ड कार्बन सेम है, OH, थर्ड कार्बन ओनली डिफरेंट है, దానికి చెప్పాం you can remember 3RH, remember. If you remember 3RH, it is better. So everything you have to write. This behavior could not explained by the open chain structure of glucose. अच्छा ఇలా ఓపెన్ చైన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ లో మనకి MEH స్టాల్ కానీ H స్టాల్ రింగ్ అని ఫామ్ కాదు, unable to explain. రింగ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ లోనే ఫామ్ అవుతుంది MEH స్టాల్ రింగ్. MEH స్టాల్ చెప్పుకున్నాం MEH స్టాల్ అంటే ఏంటి, H స్టాల్ అంటే ఏంటి. కంప్లీట్ రీప్లేస్ అయితే కనుక H స్టాల్, పార్షియల్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ MEH స్టాల్ రింగ్ అంటారు. Like how is acetaldehyde react with alcohol, corresponding MEH star is formed. अच्छा open chain structure is very difficult to explain this. अच्छा it was observed that glucose forms 6-member ring, pyranose ring antam, 5-member ring అయితే pyranose ring antam, fructose pyranose ring, it is a 6-member ring కాబట్టి it is a pyranose ring antam. देखो ऐसा యాక్చువల్ గా ఇంతకుముందు ఏమి ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ మనకి, సో ఐ కెన్ గో ఫర్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ OH ఏమి ఉండాలి, COH ఉండాలి. ఫ్రీ ఉంటే ఈ రింగ్ ఉండదు మనకి. ఈ రింగ్ ఉండాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న OH లో ఇలా రీఅరేంజ్ కావాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎంతమంది అంత OH ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ OH ఉండాలి ఎంతమంది కదా. ఈ ఐడోన్ ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, O అనేది ఈ రెండు మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. అంటే CHO గ్రూప్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఫ్రీ ఓన్లీ. अच्छा 6-member ring फाने बनेगा, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is nothing but oxygen. H plus migrate over there, the 6-member ring बनेगा. From there only we can discuss alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. इस alpha D glucose में HOH है, beta D glucose में OH है. The first carbon में difference है, C1 configuration difference है, that's why it's called anomers. अच्छा pyranose ring is 6-member ring, right? Pyranose ring is a 5-member ring. Is resemble with a 6-member ring, right? That's why pyran, just like a pyran, like a pyranose ring structure. This is cyclic, alpha D glucopyranose, beta D glucopyranose. This is the correct structure. अच्छा देखो first carbon में only difference है, hydrogen not mentioned over here. देखो no need to mention hydrogen, मतलब नीचे एक हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ ऊपर हाइड्रोजन है. अच्छा ये देखो यहाँ HOH difference only here, HO here OH है, here OH beta D glucose. अच्छा here HOH, here we can see HOH, here HOH. देखो here also alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. Beta D glucose में OH रहा है, ఇక్కడ HOH रहा है. डिफरेंस ఒకసారి మిస్టేక్ జరిగింది, ఒకసారి నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ OH ఉండాలి, alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. These are called anomers అంటాం. ఫార్వర్డ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్లూకోజ్ అంటాం మనం. अच्छा देखो एनोमर्स, देखो अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज HOH ఉండాలి, right? HOH ఉండాలి. अच्छा OH group on the anomeric carbon is below the plane, this is above the plane, right? चलो so anomers అంటే ఇది మీనింగ్. C1 configuration difference అంటే anomers అంటే alpha D glucose, beta D glucose, alpha D fructose, beta D fructose. These are called anomers అంటాం, like anomers అంటాం. देखो एनोमस अल्फा फॉर्म और बीटा फॉर्म, अल्फा फॉर्म बीटा फॉर्म, alpha D plus. I think you might know what is D plus ante cheptunna. Glucose lo last but one carbon మీద OH right hand side unte plus D capital D, left hand side unte capital L, capital D capital L symbol. Acha capital D is different from small d. Small d is naturally occurring glucose is a dextrorotated, whereas naturally occurring fructose is levodotated. Levulose anta fructose. This is called dextrose anta. Acha beta D. These two are anomers. The only difference is C1 configuration. HOH or OH. C1 configuration में difference है. This is called anomers. अच्छा epimers, I think first class only we discussed epimers. देखो epimers differ from each other in the absolute configuration at only one chiral center. अच्छा glucose and mannose लो, अच्छा glucose అంటే mannose అంటే ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ repeat చేస్తాను. Glucose and mannose. अच्छा గ్లూకోజ్ అంటే 3RH గుర్తుపెట్టుకోమన్నాను. అచ్చా మానోజ్ అంటే 2RH ప్లస్ 3RH అంటే ఈ రెండు మధ్య డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? C2 కార్బన్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ డిఫరెంట్, C2 ఎపిమర్స్ అంట. అచ్చా గ్లూకోజ్ గ్యాలక్టోజ్ లో ఇన్ గ్యాలక్టోజ్ ఇది 3RH, గ్యాలక్టోజ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 3RH ప్లస్ 4RH. अच्छा C4 configuration difference కాబట్టి C4 epimers అంటాం. C2 configuration difference కాబట్టి C2 epimers అంటాం. These are called C2 epimers. C2 epimers అంటాం. These are called C4 epimers అంటాం. C2 epimers, C4 epimers అంటాం. C4 epimers, C2 epimers. चलो देखो एग्जांपल देखो what they are given example. देखो मैनोज. अच्छा सी नंबरिंग देखो नंबरिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6. अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5 6. देखो सेकंड कार्बन में डिफरेंस है, रिमेनिंग सेम है. देखो फीमेल में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं, बट व्हाट सेड ग्लूकोज इज रिमेंबर 3RH है. अच्छा मैनोज रिमेंबर 2RH and 3RH. These two are C2 epimers. अच्छा मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्मूला सेम ओनली, दे आर आस्किंग बॉन्डिंग ओनली. ग्लूकोज కావచ్చు, ఫ్రక్టోజ్ కావచ్చు, మానోజ్ కావచ్చు, గ్యాలక్టోజ్ కావచ్చు, దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఓన్లీ బాండింగ్. అదర్వైజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ సేమ్. अच्छा लाइक ग्लूकोज फ्रक्टोज आल्सो सिमिलर रिएक्शंस है. फ्रक्टोज में भी कीटो ग्रुप है. इन we know aldehyde में क्या है? सॉरी ग्लूकोज में aldehyde ग्रुप है, फ्रक्टोज में कीटोनिक ग्रुप है. सुक्रोज में చెప్పుకున్నా సుక్రోజ్ హైడ్రోలిసిస్ చేస్తే 1 ఆల్ఫా డి గ్లూకోజ్ 1 బీటా డి ఫ్రక్టోజ్, ఆల్ఫా డి గ్లూకోజ్ బీటా డి ఫ్రక్టోజ్ రెండు వస్తాయి. సెపరేషన్ ఇస్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. యు ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్డ్ ఇట్. Two organic solids are given in organic compound. How can you separate it? By using fractional crystallization. So the organic compound which is less soluble at room temperature first crystallizes, thereafter second. अच्छा glucose and suppose you take ethyl alcohol, any particular solvent, glucose less soluble, glucose separate first, thereafter sucrose, so thereafter fructose. So in this manner you have to separate it, but this is not a commercial method, this is laboratory method. This is laboratory method. अच्छा this is sucrose. अच्छा don't be panic about this one. Later I explain structure of sucrose. Sucrose hydrolyze చేస్తే మనకి ఆల్ఫా డి గ్లూకోజ్ బీటా డి మీన్స్ గ్లూకోజ్ అండ్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్. గ్లూకోజ్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్ రెండు వస్తాయి. మళ్ళీ గ్లూకోజ్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్ సెపరేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. దీనికి ఫ్రాక్షనల్ క్రిస్టలైజేషన్ యూజ్ చేస్తామని చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకే. अच्छा मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला है C6H12O6 है. ग्लूकोज फ्रक्टोज सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला, द ओनली डिफरेंस इज कीटोनिक ग्रुप 3RH एसिड. देखो स्ट्रक्चर. अच्छा here also you remember 3RH. अच्छा remember 3RH. फ्रक्टोज में भी 3RH. अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5 6. अच्छा interestingly this is also a reducing sugar. Some students have doubt, particularly in examination, sir. fructose में keto group है, how it can reduce sugar, how it can reduce tolerance reagent, how it can reduce the failing solution. Because I think in tautomerism video you can check it. Tautomerism में हमने discuss किया, tautomerism में discuss alpha hydroxy, like देखो alpha hydroxy ketones, alpha amino ketone, alpha hydroxy ketones also respond, also reduces tolerance reagent as well as failing solution. Tolerance reagent as well as failing solution. अच्छा, exceptional case है because of tautomerism. Now I am not discussing tautomerism in detail over here. Why, even though fructose having ketone group, why it is an example for reduction sugar? Because of tautomerism. Tautomerism में एक फंडा, एक exception हमने देखा, alpha hydroxy, whenever alpha hydroxy ketones are there, alpha hydroxy ketones also reduce tolerance reagent failing solution. But generally ketone not reduce tolerance reagent and failing solution, but only alpha hydroxy ketones. Alpha hydroxy ketone can only reduce the tolerance reagent. That's why fructose is reducing sugar. अच्छा, फ्रक्टोज में देखो, यहाँ देखो फ्रक्टोज में यहाँ लिखा माइनस लिखा ना, ये माइनस क्यों है? नेचुरली अवेलेबल फ्रक्टोज लीवोरोटेड, लिबिलोज, दिस आर कॉल्ड लिबिलोज बोलते हैं, दैट्स व्हाई माइनस है ना. इन प्रीवियसली डी प्लस ग्लूकोज बोलते हैं हम, कैपिटल डी. अच्छा, डी प्लस ग्लूकोज है, अच्छा ये डी माइनस फ्रक्टोज है. अच्छा, डी प्लस क्यों डी लिखा? व्हाई वी कैन राइट डी? अच्छा, रीजन देखो, व्हाई यू कैन राइट डी. Like in glycerol structure also, OH group is right hand side. This is called capital D. Naturally is a dextro levorotatory. That's why minus. That's why D minus fructose. अच्छा, suppose L minus fructose चाहिए मेरे को, मैंने क्या करूँगा? फिफ्थ कार्बन में OH लिख दूँगा. This capital L minus fructose होता है. But some students have my doubt है. Most of the not some students are 95% students are doubt है. Fructose में सर fructose levorotatory కదా, ఎందుకు మీరు D capital D రాస్తారు? Capital D is nothing but relative configuration, is not absolute configuration with reference to glyceraldehyde. So we give the capital D capital L. But plus small d small l or plus or minus indicates naturally availability of organic compound, optically active organic compound, whether it is dextrorotatory and levorotatory. देखो D माइनस ग्लूकोज, देखो सिंबल D माइनस फ्रक्टोज है. अच्छा, like same objections. Here also why cyclic structure of fructose is proposed with same objections. If C11O is free, then it's easily reacted 2,4 DNP, because 2,4 DNP is identification test for carbonyl compounds. Wherever carbonyl compounds are there, it's 2, I think I reminded you once, 2,4 DNP क्या है? अच्छा, C11O, whether aldehyde or ketone है, 2,4 DNP. What is 2,4 DNP? 2,4 dinitro phenyl. अच्छा देखो ये वाला, ये आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑरेंज रेड पीपीटी जब थे. अच्छा, दिस इज कॉल्ड 2,4 DNP. अच्छा, 2,4 dinitro phenyl. अच्छा, phenyl का क्या है? NH2 NHC6H. दिस इज phenyl. phenyl में 2 और 4 पोजीशन में नाइट्रो ग्रुप है, 2,4 DNP. अच्छा, ये ऑरेंज रेड डाई प्रेसिपिटेट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड, आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. 2,4 DNP అనేది ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీలో ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ కార్బోనిల్ గ్రూప్. 2,4 DNP పాజిటివ్ అంటే అది ఆల్డిహైడ్ అవ్వచ్చు, కీటోన్ అవ్వచ్చు. కానీ ఆ టెస్ట్ రావట్లేదు. ఆల్డిహైడ్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్ కానీ కీటోన్ కానీ టెస్ట్ రావట్లేదు. అంటే CHO గ్రూప్ ఫ్రీగా లేదు, సైక్లిక్ రింగ్ లో ఉన్నట్టు. సైక్లిక్ రింగ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫ్రీగా రావట్లేదు మనకి ఈక్వేషన్స్. దట్స్ వై సైక్లిక్ రింగ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్ ప్రపోజ్డ్. अच्छा, ये 5 मेंबर रिंग देखा, 5 मेंबर रिंग यहाँ से शुरू होता है. 1 2 3, देखो काउंट करो, 1 2 3 4, along with oxygen 5 मेंबर, along with oxygen 5 मेंबर रिंग. अच्छा, 5 मेंबर रिंग ऐसा भी लिखना, ये 5 मेंबर रिंग स्ट्रक्चर होता है. इज अ फ्यूरानोज रिंग्स. फ्यूरॉन, आई थिंक ये फ्यूरॉन होता है ना, ये फ्यूरॉन होता है ना. Pyron is 6-member ring, furan is a 5-member ring. Furanose ring structure, ये वाला furanose ring structure है. अच्छा beta, here also alpha D fructose and beta D fructose called N-mers. The only difference is second carbon में difference here. तो first carbon में CH2OH है. अच्छा first carbon में क्या होता है, एक CH2OH है, एक CH2OH है एंड एक OH है. देख लीजिए. अच्छा देखो OH CH2OH फर्स्ट कार्बन. अच्छा फर्स्ट कार्बन यहाँ से शुरू होता है ना, यहाँ 1 है, 2 3 4 5. अच्छा 1 2 3 4 along with oxygen 4 5-member ring. अच्छा this CH2OH is outside the ring only, not inside the ring. You should not count the number of carbons in that ring, in the ring only. 5-member ring only. First carbon में OH and CH2OH beta, CH2OH this we can write. सेकंड कार्बन में ग्रुप्स चेंज करो, इंटरचेंज करो, अल्फा डी होता है. अच्छा CH2OH OH अल्फा, OH CH2OH बीटा, अल्फा बीटा ऐसा लिखता. देखो दिस डिफर एट C2 कार्बन लेबल्ड एज एपीमर्स. C2 का C1 कार्बन है एनोमर्स, C2 है एपीमर्स. देखो ये बीटा हो गया, OH CH2OH. अच्छा अल्फा కావాలంటే మనకి CH2OH and OH. First, this second carbon में difference देंगे. Furan is a 5-member ring cyclic compound. Furanose అంటే ఫ్యూరాన్ లాగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఫ్యూరానోజ్ రింగ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అంటాం. పైరాన్ కాదు, పైరానోజ్ రింగ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అంటాం మనకి. अच्छा देखो ये फ्यूरान है. अच्छा మనకి फ्यूरानोज रिंग स्ट्रक्चर है. ये अल्फा है, ये काउंट करो, ऐसा करो, काउंट करो. अच्छा एक 1 है, 2 राइट, 3 4 5 6 2 carbon is not inside the ring only, along with ring only 4 carbons and oxygen is only inside the ring only. That's why 5-member ring बोलते हैं ये वाला. This is called alpha D fructose. Now beta D में second carbon में position change करो, OH and CH2OH. Alpha D minus है. अच्छा beta D है, you can go for beta D. First second carbon में देखो OH and CH2OH है, alpha D and beta D. So this is simple. 5-member ring है, as it is you have to write it. अच्छा here also remember, don't forget 3RH है. that's why देखो third carbon में different है. देखो 1 2 3 थर्ड कार्बन में देखो OH है, रिमेनिंग जो HOH. थर्ड कार्बन में भी OH. सो 3RH ग्लूकोज में, फ्रक्टोज में 3RH यू कैन रिमेंबर. अच्छा 5-member ring structure of glucose is known as. अच्छा R was structure of pyranose base ring structure. pyranose ring structure 5-member ring. అయితే గ్లూకోజ్ అయితేనేమో pyranose ring structure. अच्छा अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज, बीटा डी ग्लूकोज are example for N-mers. నెక్స్ట్ సుక్రోజ్ లాక్టోజ్ చూద్దాం. అంటే మన సిలబస్ లో సుక్రోజ్ ఉంది, లాక్టోజ్ ఉంది, గ్యాలక్టోజ్ ఇచ్చుంటారు అండ్ స్టార్చ్ ఇచ్చుంటారు. ఎన్సిఆర్ సిలబస్ లో అన్నిట్లో కూడా బాండింగ్ ఉంచారు. I think given a polyhydrous starch also given. These are the structures we are going to discuss. Structure of disaccharides. अच्छा commonly called as table sugar, cane sugar. దీన్ని inversion sugar అని కూడా అంటారు. Inversion sugar కూడా అంటారు. Alpha D glucose and beta D. It is a combination of alpha D glucose and beta D fructose, sucrose. अच्छा మనకి కామన్ సాల్ట్ NaCl ಇದೆ, కామన్ షుగర్ టేబుల్ షుగర్ సుక్రోజ్ అంటాం. టేబుల్ షుగర్ it is disaccharide because sucrose and hydrolysis gives alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Actually, interestingly, from both reduced sugar it is formed, but unfortunately it is a non-reduced sugar. Sucrose is non-reduced sugar because amiester ring is not free only. देखो सुक्रोज है, hydrolysis చేస్తే మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, గ్లూకోజ్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్. अच्छा ये भी क्लासिफिकेशन करो, ये ग्लूकोज कैसा ग्लूकोज है? अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज। अच्छा ये फ्रक्टोज है क्या है? बीटा डी फ्रक्टोज। दिस बॉन्डिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट। अच्छा सुक्रोज एंड हाइड्रोलाइसिस गिव्स अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज है, बीटा डी फ्रक्टोज है। बॉन्डिंग ओनली दे विल आस्क कुछ दे ऑप्शन में। अच्छा अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज अल्फा डी फ्रक्टोज కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు, అయితే बीटा डी ग्लूकोज बीटा डी फ्रक्टोज ఇవ్వచ్చు, बट कंडीशनली अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज होना चाहिए, बीटा डी फ्रक्टोज होना चाहिए। देखो देखो दिस इज ग्लूकोज ना, अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज, देखो अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज है, अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज है। देखो देखो दिस इज बीटा डी फ्रक्टोज है। बीटा डी क्यों बोलते हैं बीटा डी? अच्छा 1 and 2, सो सेकंड कार्बन में OH, ये बीटा, OH CH2 OH इज अल्फा, CH दिस इज बीटा, बीटा डी फ्रक्टोज है दिस वन। अच्छा नाउ क्या? रिमूव वन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल। अच्छा 1,2 ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज है, ध्यान लीजिए। अच्छा रिमूव वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, कहां से? यहाँ 1 यहाँ 2, रिमूव वाटर मॉलिक्यूल फ्रॉम 1 and 2, 1 की 2 के बीच में ये बॉन्ड है, ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज है। यू हैव टू रिमूव वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ओवर हियर, यू रिमूव वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ओवर हियर, क्या रिंग बनेगा? इससे बनेगा, इसका ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज है 1,2, 1,2 ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज है। अच्छा दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ओनली दे मे आस्क। अच्छा व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लिंकेज है? 1,2 ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज है। अच्छा विल माल्टोज में 1,4 ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज है। इन स्टार्च एमाइलोज में 1,4 है, बट एमाइलोपेक्टिन में 1,4 1,6 आल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी देयर। लिंकेज ओनली दे विल आस्क। तो स्ट्रक्चर पूरा स्ट्रक्चर दे विल नॉट आस्क यू। This is not an objective, this is only objective exam, this is not a theory exam, this is not description type exam only. They will ask bonding only, where bonding will take place, 1,2 glycosidic linkage। अच्छा देखो 1 अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज 1 बीटा डी फ्रक्टोज, यहां से रिमूव वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, आप यहाँ देखो देखो यस ऐसा देखो देखो वो रिमूव वाटर मॉलिक्यूल। अच्छा डोंट रिमूव वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, यहाँ OH यहाँ H, डोंट रिमूव वहां यहाँ, it's not possible, both 2 OH groups have remove water molecule। OHH, हाँ OHH, this is alpha रहा है, बीटा रहा है, OHH रहा है। One second। अच्छा ఇక్కడ మనకి बीटा डी కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ OH రాయాలి, ఇక్కడ CH2 OH రాయాలి। अच्छा एनी हाउ रिमूव वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज दोनों 1,2 बीच में है ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज, ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं, बट बीटा मींस OH CH2 OH होता है। दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज, ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज, ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज। दिस व्हाट 1,2 ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज। अच्छा why it is inverse sugar? देखो सुक्रोज नेचुरली अवेलेबल सुक्रोज डेक्सट्रोज, नेचुरल अवेलेबल सुक्रोज डेक्सट्रोज అంటే प्लस साइन होना चाहिए, बट आफ्टर हाइड्रोलाइसिस गिव्स डेक्सट्रो रोटेटरी ग्लूकोज लीवो रोटेटरी फ्रक्टोज है, प्लस 52 माइनस 92, ओवरऑल कितना हो गया? माइनस हो गया, बट नेचुरल अवेलेबल डेक्सट्रोज है बट इन्वर्शन हो गया, दैट्स व्हाई इज कॉल्ड इन्वर्टेड शुगर होंगे। इसका म्यूटर रोटेशन भी 0 जिसको कहते हैं। As a result, sucrose brings about a change in sign of the rotation from dextrose to levo. This is called inverted sugar only. Inverted sugar only. Why sucrose is an inverted sugar? Because of this reason only. Actually, no need to memorize these values, but overall you can think it. It is a combination of alpha D glucose, beta D fructose, but overall it is naturally available sucrose, dextrose, rotatory. But after this hydrolysis, we get a inversion will take place. That's why it's called invert sugar. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माल्टोज है, देखो माल्टोज। अच्छा माल्टोज हाइड्रोलाइसिस गिव्स 2 moles of alpha D glucose, माल्टोज हाइड्रोलाइसिस गिव्स 2 moles of alpha D glucose, मतलब when 2 moles of alpha D glucose remove water molecule we get maltose only, very simple है माल्टोज। अच्छा माल्टोज मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला सेम है, C12H22O11, there is no difference है, माल्टोज है। अच्छा this is the best method, commercial method preparation of glucose also, but hydrolysis gives 2 moles of glucose है। अच्छा both are nothing but alpha D glucose. अच्छा we have no problem at all. From 2 alpha D glucose units we remove water molecule, we get a glycosidic linkage 1,4. 1,4. अच्छा देखो it is a reduced sugar, no doubt at all. Reduced sugar it is. 2 glucose molecules joined by glycosidic linkage. Where 1,4 position. The position is important. Now देखो 1 molecule of alpha D glucose, 1 more molecule of alpha D glucose. Okay. देखो यहाँ से देखो यहाँ फर्स्ट कार्बन में OH ग्रुप इज फ्री ना. अच्छा इन केस ऑफ प्रीवियस फर्स्ट कार्बन में सेकंड कार्बन में फ्रक्टोज ग्लूकोज में OH ग्रुप इज नॉट फ्री. फ्रॉम 2 OH ग्रुप्स यू रिमूव द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. नो वन फ्री cannot reduce tolerance reagent failing solution. अच्छा यहाँ ये सपोज इन दिस यूनिट फर्स्ट पोजीशन में OH ग्रुप इज नॉट फ्री, बट ये OH ग्रुप इज फ्री ना. Then we get a reduced sugar high. That's why maltose is reduced sugar high. Sucrose is not a reduced sugar high. At least one is free only. Glycosidic linkage है. Removal of water molecule है. इसको 1,4 देख लीजिए. 1,4. ओके यूनिट लो 1 पोजीशन और 2 यूनिट लो 4th पोजीशन है. 1,4 glycosidic linkage nothing but maltose. This is glycosidic linkage है. Where glycosidic linkage है? The linkage also important. 1,4. 1,4 glycosidic linkage. अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लैक्टोज है. लैक्टोज है, माल्टोज है, सुक्रोज है, ऑल आर हैविंग सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला. बट व्हेन लैक्टोज अंडरगोस हाइड्रोलाइसिस वी गेट बीटा डी गैलेक्टोज है एंड ग्लूकोज है. देखो बीटा डी गैलेक्टोज है, बीटा डी ग्लूकोज है. ग्लूकोज और अंडरगोस हाइड्रोलाइसिस वी गेट बीटा डी गैलेक्टोज है, बीटा डी ग्लूकोज है. अच्छा गैलेक्टोज చెప్పుకున్నాం. గెలాక్టోజ్ అంటే మీకు ఐడియా కోసం చెప్పాను. గెలాక్టోజ్ హౌ టు రిమెంబర్. గెలాక్టోజ్ అంటే యు రిమెంబర్ 3RH అండ్ 4RH. అంటే థర్డ్ కార్బన్ OH లాగానే ఫోర్త్ కార్బన్ కూడా OH ఉంటుంది. అదే డిఫరెన్స్ గ్లూకోజ్ కి గెలాక్టోజ్. రిమైనింగ్ యాసిడ్స్. అచ్చా మిల్క్ మనకి మిల్క్ లో ఉండేది షుగర్ ఏంటంటే లాక్టోజ్. మిల్క్ లో ఉండేది కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ లాక్టోజ్ అంటాం. మిల్క్ షుగర్ కూడా అంటాం. अच्छा आप देखो फर्स्ट वन है ग्लाइकोसिड. एक मॉलिक्यूल सपोज देखो ये वाला shall I go for this is 1 2 3 4 नंबरिंग इज गिवन ना. अच्छा दिस क्या है? यहाँ OH होना चाहिए ना, यहाँ OH होना चाहिए ना. अच्छा दिस इज 3RH ओनली ना. 3RH 4RH ना जो 3RH 4RH ना and ఇది बीटा डी गैलेक्टोज बीटा डी गैलेक्टोज. अच्छा देखो ये वाला HOH है, HOH है, दिस अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज है. OH అయితే बीटा डी, HOH అయితే अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज. देन यहाँ से OH ना इगो 3RH ఒకటే ఉంది, 4RH లేదు. 3RH ఉంటే గ్లూకోజ్ है, 4RH ఉంటే गैलेक्टोज है. Removal of water molecule. यहाँ से removal of water. Nothing but what kind of linkage here? Again 1,4. But 1,4 एक कहाँ? Beta position में. Beta galactose में. Here beta glucose. Beta D glucose reverse ఉండాలి. OH ఉండాలి. But here given HOH రాశారు. కాబట్టి this beta D రాసినప్పుడు here H and here OH ఉండాలి. Make a correction. Right? ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज दिस nothing but ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज है. ఎక్కడంటే 1,4 ఇక్కడ కూడా. బట్ ఎక్కడ దేని మధ్య? గ్యాలక్టోజ్ and గ్లూకోజ్ మధ్య. గ్యాలక్టోజ్ గ్లూకోజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటని చెప్పుకున్నాం. గ్యాలక్టోజ్ లో 3RH 4RH ఉంటుంది. గ్లూకోజ్ లో ఓన్లీ 3RH ఉంటుంది. రిమైనింగ్ సిట్రిక్ యాసిడ్. ఇన్వర్స్ షుగర్ ఇస్ మిక్స్చర్ ఆఫ్ వాట్? 1 alpha D glucose, 1 beta D fructose. I think first option only na inversion sugar. अच्छा no need to values only, but overall the negative రావాలి కాబట్టి మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి. దేనికి ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి? గ్లూకోజ్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలా, ఫ్రక్టోజ్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలా? ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఫ్రక్టోజ్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఇన్వర్స్ షుగర్ అపోజ్ నాన్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ షుగర్ కూడా చాలా సార్లు అడిగారు క్వశ్చన్. గ్లైకోసిడిక్ linkage between अच्छा what is given C1 and C2, C2 and C4. अच्छा, molecule is not mentioned, I think, here. अच्छा, so glycosidic linkage between maltose and వచ్చాము. Maltose అంటేనేమో C1 C4, like lactose అని వచ్చాము. Lactose కూడా C1 C4. ఇక్కడ incomplete sentence, glycosidic linkage between glycosidic linkage in maltose and in lactose అని అంటే ఆన్సర్ is C1 C4. In sucrose అంటేనేమో C1 C2 రావాలి. Right? Polysaccharides. अच्छा, देखो polysaccharides and starch is given. Only one example is given polysaccharides में in our NCERT syllabus. Starch में two है, amylose है, amylopectin. Starch is a polymer of this is a polymer of monomer in a polymer is nothing but alpha D glucose. अच्छा, inulin लो only fructose है. Inulin, cellulose लो beta D glucose. Starch लो alpha D, cellulose लो beta D. Difference only. Starch लो monomer into alpha D glucose, cellulose लो monomer into beta D glucose. अच्छा, inulin is not given our syllabus, NCERT syllabus inulin, but only glucose and starch and cellulose. अच्छा, intermediate glycogen ఉంటుంది, branch chain compound example glycogen కూడా ఇచ్చుండొచ్చు, చూద్దాం. Starch consists of two fractions, amylose and amylose. Sometimes questions are asked. So starch is insoluble in water కదా, soluble in hot water. अच्छा, మనకి iodine hyposolution మీకు గుర్తుందా? Iodine reaction లో iodine immediate గా starch solution యాడ్ చేస్తే blue color వస్తుంది. The blue color because of presence of amylose, not amylopectin. Question they may ask. The blue color solution of starch because of what? Presence of what? Amylose or amylopectin. Amylose is water soluble, amylopectin is water insoluble substance. अच्छा, देखो. Amylose, amylopectin. अच्छा, I think NCERT given up to 15% and to 15% 85%. But here approximately in between, in and around 20%, 80% amylopectin. अच्छा, ये बॉन्डिंग आप एक बार बॉन्डिंग देख लीजिए. एमाइलोज लो अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल्स ఉంటాయి, స్ట్రైట్ చైన్, లీనియర్ మాలిక్యుల్. अच्छा, మాల్టోజ్ లో రెండు యూనిట్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇక్కడ n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూనిట్స్ తీసుకుంటాం, లీనియర్ మాలిక్యుల్. अच्छा, this structure is similar to maltose, but in maltose in between the two molecule only, but here n number of molecules you have to take care of. Straight chain molecule amylose. Amylose lo unde units here number of units are not important, but this is important. Straight chain compound, linear compound, it is linear polymer है. Just in between glycosidic linkage in between C1 and C2. Structure is just like maltose only. But amylopectin lo two types ఉంటాయి bonding, 1,4 ఉంటుంది, 1,6 కూడా ఉంటుంది. Every 20 to 25 units there is a branching will take place only. But glycogen lo every 6 units branching will take place only. n number of, अच्छा देखो ये 1 molecule, 2 molecule, 3 molecule, 4 molecule, 5 molecule, any molecule. In always remove a water molecule. Each and every unit remove a one water molecule. यहाँ से एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेट करो, यहाँ से एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेट करो, सपोज यहाँ से एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेट करो, यहाँ से एक वाटर एलिमिनेट करो, दिस इज पॉलीमर होगा. इसका ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज है. ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज क्या? 1,4 एवरीवेयर 1,4 ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज. So this is linear polymer. देखो ऐसा पॉलीमर का सिंबल है पॉलीमर, लीनियर पॉलीमर. अल्फा लिंकेज. अच्छा, amylopectin देखो, amylopectin also 1,4 is possible. After 25 to 35 rings, 1,6 also possible. 1,6 also possible. देख लीजिए, ये अल्फा लिंक्स है, amylose है. देखो 1,6 also possible. देखो every 25 to 35 यूनिट्स है. ये सपोज अल्फा ना, ये अल्फा ना, देखो फर्स्ट कार्बन में वो है, सिक्स्थ कार्बन में वो है, ये यहाँ रिमूव करना. दैट मींस 1,6 आल्सो पॉसिबल. बट ये ब्रांच चेन का 1,6 आल्सो पॉसिबल. एनीवे दिस इज 1,4. अच्छा, what kind of linkage are you might understand that 1,4 linkage, 1,6 linkage also possible in case of amylose. But amylopectin linear polymer, amylose is linear polymer, amylopectin is a branch chain polymer. This is amylopectin. And the amylase laga untundi, but same 1,6 every 25 units దగ్గర branch వస్తుంది. Glycogen also same structure, 1,4 1,6. Glycogen లో it is more branches than this one. For every 6 units branching will take place. Branching అంటే ఇలా బ్రాంచింగ్. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ తర్వాత ఒక 25 యూనిట్స్ ఇలా, తర్వాత మళ్ళీ బ్రాంచింగ్, మళ్ళీ 25 యూనిట్స్ మళ్ళీ బ్రాంచింగ్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ బ్రాంచ్ చైన్ పాలిమర్స్. देखो 1,6 glycosidic branches between two amylase molecules. Every 25 minutes this is a possibility that is a branch chain polymers. Cellulose, अच्छा स्टार्च की सेल्युलोज పెద్ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఏం లేదు. స్టార్చ్ లోనేమో ఆల్ఫా డి గ్లూకోజినస్, సెల్యులోజ్ ఏమో బీటా డి గ్లూకోజినస్. Monomers are different. Linkage is only difference. They are asking the question in chemistry point of view. They are asking the question of linkage only. They are not asking the functions, particularly linkage and structure only. 1,4 1,6 alpha na beta na, that question they will ask. अच्छा, beta D linkage. अच्छा, monomer unit in cellulose is nothing but beta D glucose. अच्छा, linkage 1,4 beta glycosidic linkage. In starch 1,4 alpha glycosidic linkage. That is only difference. Alpha glycosidic linkage and beta D linkage. Right? Next beta na, देखो OH is beta na, HOH is alpha na. Beta D glucose है. Number of moles of beta D glucose you can consider. अच्छा, removal of one water molecule. Long chain. This polymer means not 2 units. You can go for several units. Beta linkage. ये polymer लिखा, n number लिखा है सर, n number लिखा. So cellulose and starch you easily remember. Cellulose में alpha D glucose है, sorry beta D glucose है, starch में alpha D glucose. अच्छा, glycogen also similar to amylopectin. Glycogen also nothing but amylose pectin. The carbohydrates are stored in animal body nothing but as a glycogen only. Energy capsule antam mana general glycogen. So whenever you take a carbohydrate, so it directly converted into glucose, then after that glucose converted into glycogen. Energy capsule antam mana storage. Whenever you require energy, it easily dissociated. Glycogen easily dissociated, energy is produced only. So, but insulin, suppose hormone insulin is a lack of insulin produced in our body, glucose cannot be converted into glycogen. Instant energy nahi aayenge humko. So, whenever glucose converted into glycogen, so glycogen, whenever you require energy, it immediately dissociated and the energy is produced. That's why carbohydrates are stored in animal body as a glycogen only. This is called animal starch code antaru. Acha, ekkada untundi source ekkada untundante liver, muscles lo, brain, etc. These are the source of the glycogen. Achha, structure of glycogen similar to amylopectin, not amylose, amylopectin. Amylopectin ante remember 1,4 ఉంటుంది 1,6 ఉంటుంది. 1,4 ఉంటుంది 1,6 ఉంటుంది. अच्छा देखो, structure similar to amylopectin, but it is a more branches than amylopectin. For every 6 units branching will take place on. But in amylopectin for every 25 to 30 units branching will take place on. For every 6 units branching will take place. Glycogen is a more branched when compared to the amylopectin. अच्छा देखो, when body needs glucose, enzymes break the glycogen down to the glucose. But suppose lack of insulin hormone in our body, what happens? Glucose cannot be converted into glycogen. Right? That's why diabetic patients immediately they lose energy. So instantly they should take a diet only. Not the same large quantity at a time, but at different intervals they will take a food because of storage is mushkila. Okay. Because glucose cannot be converted into glycogen. अच्छा देखो, importance है, but previously you can check the questions sir, they never asked the importance of carbohydrates, but information I am giving. What are information? Carbohydrates are essential for life in both plants and animals, no doubt at all. Honey is a carbohydrate used as instant source of energy. Carbohydrates are used as strong storage molecules only in the form of glycogen also. Storage molecule. अच्छा we know keramycin है, neomycin है, stereomycin, streptomycin है, nothing but carbohydrate antibiotics. अच्छा मार्केट में भी अवेलेबल है कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंटीबायोटिक, स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन है, केरामाइसिन है, नियोमाइसिन है, these are called carbohydrate antibiotic also. अच्छा वुड అనేది కూడా కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ కదా. अच्छा what are their carbohydrates importance in industry? अच्छा न्यूक्लिक एसिड లో కూడా రైబోజ్ డియాక్సీ రైబోజ్ 5 మెంబర్ రింగ్ పెంటోజ్ రింగ్ రైబోజ్ డియాక్సీ రైబోజ్ అంటాం. అంటే న్యూక్లిక్ యాసిడ్ లో కూడా మనకు ఉండేది ఏంటంటే కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్, అది కూడా షుగర్స్. ద లింక్ బిట్వీన్ గ్లూకోజ్ యూనిట్స్ ఇన్ స్టార్చ్, స్టార్చ్ లో బీటా లింకేజ్ అంట, ఆల్ఫా లింకేజ్. अच्छा 1,4 కావచ్చు, 1,6 కావచ్చు. ఎమైలేజ్ అయితే 1,4, ఎమైలోపెక్టిన్ అయితే 1,6. अच्छा एमाइलोपेक्टिन is a polymer of alpha D glucose, beta D को ఉండదు, alpha D glucose. బట్ alpha D glucose ఎమైలోపెక్టిన్ లో 1,4 ఉంటుంది, 1,6 కూడా ఉంటుంది ఎమైలోపెక్టిన్. ఎమైలోజ్ లో అయితే 1,4 ఉంటుంది. अच्छा एमाइलोपेक्टिन is soluble in water, but amylose is soluble in water. Because last few years, like 2 to 3 years, whether in NEET examination or JEE examination, NTA, they are more focusing on amino acids only, classification, like which are the following acidic amino acid and which are the following is the basic amino acid and like sulfur containing amino acid and secondary amino acids and alpha amino acids, essential amino acids, like that. Based on classification only they are asking the questions only. Basic, from basic only they are asking the questions only, right? So one by one we can discuss. Acha amino acid means both acidic group as well as basic groups are present. The compound which containing both basic group as well as acidic group, both amino group as well as carboxylic group. These are called bifunctional groups, are called amino acids. On hydrolysis, protein produce means the water monomer is proteins are nothing but alpha amino acids. From 2 alpha amino acids, you remove the water molecule, we get a peptide bond also. CuNH bond is called peptide bond. Achha 10 to 50 is called polypeptides. Achha more than 50 is called proteins. So there are different amino acids, like oligopeptides, polypeptides, proteins. अच्छा proteins are nothing but building blocks of alpha amino acids only. अच्छा which are monomer is proteins are nothing but alpha amino acids, remember. So protein is a biopolymer. Biopolymer में monomer it also they may ask the question. Alpha amino acids are monomer. The simplest amino acid is glycine. Here R instead of R is H, this is called glycine only. Simplest amino acid only. अच्छा which containing both acidic group as well as basic group. अच्छा देखो ये बेसिक ग्रुप है, ये एसिडिक ग्रुप है. अच्छा around 600 plus amino acids are there. Out of 600 plus 225 are alpha amino acids are there. Out of 225 only 25 are well known examples are essential amino acid, non-essential amino acids. Out of that 10 are only essential amino acids, remaining are non-essential amino acids. अच्छा the amino acids which are not synthesized in our body is called essential amino acids, which are synthesized in our body is called non-essential amino acids. अच्छा name of the amino acid, अच्छा देखो ग्लाइसिन है, सिंबल है. अच्छा what we represent this is a this chain only you can represent like this NH2 CHR COH. अच्छा instead of R is added, this is glycine. Instead of R is called glycine. अच्छा represent alanine है. Instead of R is methyl group is called alanine. अच्छा valine है. This isopropyl group is called vanillin. Like leucine. Acha, they star mark na, these are called essential amino acids. They put star mark, all these are essential amino acids. Like valine, lysine, leucine. Acha, no need to bug up all this, some like sulfur containing, iodine containing, like second amino group, like that questions only important. I will tell you. Symbol for this. Acha, isoleucine also essential amino acid. Leucine, isoleucine. Acha, don't mug up this groups, all groups. Simply align, phenylalanine, this is enough, more than enough. Arginine, I think previously asked basic amino acid. I think 2019-20 some questions are asked. JEE or NTA only asked the question. Which are the following is a more basic, is a basic amino acid. So there go more number of nitrogen groups. Nitrogen groups, nitrogen atoms increases, basic nature increases only. Carboxyl groups increases, acidic nature increases only. Actually, there you can note on arginine is nothing but basic amino acid. Basic amino acid. Actually, lysine. Lysine also basic amino acid because more number of NH2 group is there. Already one NH2 instead of R only NH2 group is substituted now. It is also basic amino acid only. Achha, I think this is given now. Acidic amino acid, glutamic acid. Glutamic acid is acidic amino acid. Arginine is a basic amino. These two are best example. Basic amino acid के लिए, acidic amino acid के लिए. This is a basic amino acid. This is acidic amino acid. Since already one COH group is there, now we introduce one more COH. Acidic amino acid. अच्छा, ये वाला aspartic acid also acidic amino acid only. Because again COH group is introduced only. अच्छा, glutamine is a basic amino acid because one more NH2 group is introduced. Basic amino acid. Don't bother about this name of the compound. Threonine. Threonine. This is also essential amino acid. अच्छा, previously one JEE main question they asked. These two are important. देखो, sulfur containing amino acid है, OH group containing amino acid है. अच्छा, note करो, sulfur containing amino acid है. देखो, they will ask the questions like sulfur containing amino acid है. This is a sulfur containing amino acid है. अच्छा, OH group containing amino acid है. अच्छा, this kind of question asked. अच्छा, no need to memorize all the things है. But what are speciality previously asked questions? We can once again remember this one. This is theoretical, just like biology. You have to remember this theory. Acha, serine nothing but OH groups, OH containing amino acid. Cysteine, sulfur containing amino acid only. Acha, methionine also sulfur containing amino acid. But previously asked question is cysteine only asked. Acha, methionine also containing sulfur. देखो. Sulfur containing we can count karo is also sulfur containing amino acid. Phenylalanine. अच्छा, this is aromatic ring. Phenylalanine देखो, previously there is no phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. This is aromatic. Aromatic. They may ask aromatic, they may ask sulfur, they may ask OH group. This is very simple. I think they are NTA, they are focusing this simple thing only. Not a complicated structure, not complicated this one. Simple thing. Sulfur containing, OH group containing, like aromatic. Tyrosine. This is also aromatic, na tyrosine. Tyrosine are containing OH group, but aromatic. This is a phenyl group. This is called benzyl group. So benzyl, this is nothing but benzyl, para-hydroxy benzyl. This is nothing but para-hydroxy benzyl. बेंजाइल का मतलब ये भी एरोमेटिक हो ना, ये भी एरोमेटिक हो ना. ट्रिप्टोफान। अच्छा 6 मेंबर देखो 5 मेंबर देखो। अच्छा हिस्टीडीन, दिस इज आल्सो बेसिक अमीनो एसिड है हिस्टीडीन। प्रोलीन, अच्छा देखो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है सबसे, यू नो इन रिमेनिंग ऑल केसेस कंपल्सरी वन NH2 ग्रुप इज देयर, बट इन केस ऑफ प्रोलीन है, प्रोलीन में क्या है, प्रोलीन में क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, प्रोलीन में क्या है, NH ग्रुप है, एमिनो ग्रुप नहीं है। अच्छा रिमेनिंग ऑल अल्फा एमिनो एसिड, दीस आर ऑल एग्जांपल फॉर अल्फा एमिनो एसिड ओनली। रिमेनिंग ऑल एमिनो एसिड है NH2 प्राइमरी एमिनो ग्रुप है, बट प्रोलीन में सेकेंडरी एमिनो ग्रुप है। NH ग्रुप इज सेकेंडरी एमिनो ग्रुप है, N ग्रुप इज टर्शियरी एमिनो ग्रुप है। अच्छा प्रोलीन में क्या है, सेकेंडरी एमिनो है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, प्रोलीन में क्या है, सेकेंडरी एमिनो ग्रुप है। रिमेनिंग ऑल में दिस इज स्पेशल कैरेक्टर है कंपेयर्ड टू रिमेनिंग, प्रोलीन कंटेनिंग सेकेंडरी एमिनो ग्रुप। देखो ये पोजीशन है, फंक्शन ग्रुप है अल्फा, फंक्शन ग्रुप अल्फा पोजीशन है, इस अल्फा पोजीशन में क्या है, NH ग्रुप है, अल्फा एमिनो एसिड ओनली, नो डाउट अल्फा पोजीशन में एमिनो ग्रुप, बट ये एमिनो ग्रुप सेकेंडरी एमिनो ग्रुप, दिस ओनली इंपॉर्टेंट। Now, based on position of NH2, based on nature, based on importance, amino acid classifications, right? Based on position is alpha, beta, gamma, but mostly essentially amino acids are alpha amino acids only. Around there are 600 plus amino acids are possible. Out of 600, 225 alpha amino acids are there. Out of 225, 25 only important. Out of 25, 10 are only essential amino acids only. Now all essential amino acids are alpha amino acid only. Alpha position में NH2 ग्रुप है। अच्छा देखो ये अल्फा, ये फंक्शन ग्रुप ना अल्फा का ना, अल्फा एमिनो एसिड only. अल्फा पोजीशन में एमिनो ग्रुप इसका अल्फा है। बीटा एमिनो एसिड मींस बीटा पोजीशन में एमिनो एसिड। अच्छा देखो ये अल्फा हो गया, ये अल्फा हो गया, ये बीटा हो गया, बीटा पोजीशन में बीटा एमिनो एसिड। The classification है, which are the following is an example for alpha amino acid, beta amino acid. Gamma amino acid, alpha, beta, gamma. But leave it out of this, only our syllabus containing only focusing on alpha amino acids only, not beta, gamma amino acids. Example, glycine is alpha amino acid only. Achha, one more question previously asked. Mostly all amino acids are optically active, can exhibit optical isomerism, except glycine. Glycine में no chiral center है, no optical isomerism. Previously so many times in various competitive examination they asked the question. Except glycine, remaining all amino acids are so optically active isomers. अच्छा, so all amino acids में L isomer are biological importance when compared to D isomer. Logically you remember L isomers are biologically important compared to D isomer. So optically active isomers are these are alpha amino acids. Amino acids consist of what? Both groups हैं, basic group as well as acidic group only. A sulfur containing amino acid, cysteine, sulfur containing amino acid. Next classification you can see. Based on nature, मतलब neutral का, acidic का, basic का. अच्छा, previously based on this structure also one questions are asked. Which are the following is acidic amino acid? Which are the following is a basic amino acid? They ask the question. अच्छा, equal number of NH2 COH groups are then neutral. If NH2 groups are more basic, COH groups are more acidic. Based on nature of the amino acids, they are classified into acidic, neutral, and basic. अच्छा, acidic, neutral. Neutral means equal number. अच्छा, acidic means more number of COH groups है. अच्छा, more number of COH groups देख लीजिए, example है glutamic acid చెప్పుకున్నాం, aspartic acid చెప్పుకున్నాం. All these are example for. अच्छा, no need to memorize the structure only, we can given structure में आप देख लीजिए. अला काకుండా name इస్తే మనం ఏం చేయలేం. Structure इస్తే easily can identify. But name इస్తే అంటే కొన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది examples. What are given examples in NCERT? So you can remember that. There is no other option for you. If structure is given, easily identify. Here, two COH groups are there here. COH, more number of COH groups are there. That's why these are acidic amino acids. I previously asked this question. अच्छा basic amino acid है. Basic amino acids అంటే చూడండి. More number of NH2 groups. More number of NH2 groups. Lysine గాని arginine అని చెప్పాం. Lysine గాని arginine గాని example for basic amino acid. Acidic amino acids, basic amino acids. अच्छा equal చెప్పాలంటే adenine గాని lysine గాని equal number neutral అంట. Equal number of amino acids and carboxyl groups. Then a compound is neutral అంట. Best example glycine. That alanine, like phenylalanine, అన్నిటి కూడా. Based on importance అంటే essential and non-essential. What are essential amino acids? What are non-essential? The amino acids which are not synthesized in our body is called essential. Through diet only you have to take. But those are available in our body is nothing but synthesis in our body is nothing but non-essential. There are 10 and 15. Achha, no need to mug up that is essential amino acids which cannot be synthesized in our body. This will take only through diet only. These are called essential amino acids. Lysine, isoleucine, any. So the example, best example, valine, leucine, isoleucine, etc. Achha, which are synthesized in our body? Attend kaapunda migita edaina sare. Non-essential amino acids. Ante meeku NCERT lo already I think they given NCERT, just you have to go for it. Essential amino acids. अच्छा iso దీనిలో చూడండి glycine కాదు alanine కాదు glutamic acid కాదు the only thing is isoleucine essential amino acid. अच्छा what are essential అనేది definition ఇచ్చారు but definition not required. I think as a biochemist you might know very well what are essential, what are non-essential amino acids. The basic first one only lysine, arginine, basic amino acids. More number of NH2 groups is called basic. More number of COH groups are acidic. More amino groups than carboxylic acid. The acidic amino acid, the first one. Like, and these are frequently asked questions. One. देखो how amino acids are. Amino acids are colorless crystalline solids only. Soluble in water because of hydrogen bonding is possibility. Because carboxylic group is also there, amino group is there. Both groups are there. Of course, Vitrion formation also very interesting over here. They have oil melting point, behave like a salt rather than simple amino acids. Behave like a salt are nothing but Vitrion, dipolar ion. Carboxylic group undi, amino group undi kabatti proton, amino group which can accept a proton, has COH group which can donate a proton. So intermediate deuterion dipolar ion is formed. That's why acting like a salt also. देखो ये deuterion formation. I think in nitrogen compound lo kuda manam we discuss sulfoninic acid. Aniline undergoes sulfonation, we get sulfoninic acid. Thereafter deuterion formation. Sulfoninic acid also containing NH2 and COH group, just like amino acids. Now here also, देखो transfer of proton. अच्छा proton migration. Proton COH is a more acidic ion which can donate a proton and which can accept a proton. Deuterion formation. अच्छा deuterion formation. So like deuterion formation. देखो यहाँ deuterion formation में deuterion formation में if cation is given anion is given what? Suppose in the presence of acidic medium now, suppose I go for in the presence of acidic medium, sometimes the question may ask in the presence of acidic medium now, in the presence of basic medium now, suppose they ask a question. अच्छा in the presence of acidic medium it exists like a cation. In the presence of acidic medium what happens? What happens? Here HR it becomes COH. अच्छा in acidic medium it behave like a cation. repeating cation. अच्छा in basic medium which can abstract the proton only. Basic medium which can abstract the proton from over here because nitrogen containing nitrogen में the more En value carrying positive unstable. Abstract the proton only. मतलब यहाँ independence of base it is acting like a यहाँ नहीं आना. अच्छा they ask the question where is the cation where is the anion? यहाँ नहीं आना. A particular pH it exists neither cation nor anion. That particular pH what they call as isoelectric point. Otherwise, in the presence of acidic medium, basic medium, it may be acting like a cation or anion. One particular pH only, either neutral amino acid, acidic, basic amino acids exist like a neutral, neither cation nor anion. That particular pH, what they call as isoelectric point. That point that is also very important. Isoelectric point pH for a neutral amino acids. So, any question at chance we can discuss that. So this is the nomenclature. I think not required. This kind of question they may ask. So what is the meaning of glycine or tyrosine? The meanings are not much important over here. Symbols or meanings are not important. Glycine symbol, alanine symbol. अच्छा देखो द्वितीय ion formation. Amino acid shows amphoteric behavior as they react both acids and bases. చెప్పాను acidic medium ఎలా ఉంటుంది, basic medium ఎలా ఉంటుంది. These exhibit both in D and L form, except glycine remaining are optically active compound only. But I said L isomers have more biological importance when compared to the isomers. देखो most naturally occurring amino acids are L configuration. L configuration. Asymmetric or alanine means chiral center is there, alanine chiral center is there. D alanine, L alanine, both are possible. अच्छा देखो isoelectric point and the pH at which amino acid does not migrate to cathode and anion. If it is anion, migrate to cathode. If it is cathode, if cation migrated to means oppositely charged. So at what particular pH neither migrate to cathode nor migrate to anode. A particular pH what they call as isoelectric point. So you need to remember pH of the particular. So pH range you need to remember. What is the pH range? Acidic and देखो pH range you need to remember. pH range. Neutral amino acid की pH range isoelectric point है 5.5. For basic amino acids the range in this one. What are given? I think it is given in NCERT. देखो basic amino acids isoelectric point pH range 7.6 to 10.8. Mostly previous last question is neutral amino acid. pH range 5.5 to 6. At particular pH, neither moves towards cathode nor moves towards anode. It is like a neutral molecule only. That is called isoelectric point. So isoelectric point is a best point. We can separate amino acids based on solubility. देखो the amide bond formed. अच्छा alpha amino acid में peptide అంటే ఏంటి, oligopeptides అంటే ఏంటి, polypeptides అంటే ఏంటి, then proteins, what are proteins? When two amino acids, for example एक alpha amino acid, एक alpha amino acid, suppose एक alpha amino acid. अच्छा from alpha amino acid you have to remove one water molecule, OH from over here and hydrogen from here. This is called peptide bond. अच्छा देखो one simple thing, simple funda. I go for simple funda. अच्छा NH2 CH2 COH. अच्छा one more molecule I can go for NH2 CH2 COH. One more molecule I go for. अच्छा suppose you remove one water molecule है क्या peptide bond? CH2 C double bond O NH. This is called peptide bond. CH2 C double bond OH peptide bond. Peptide.
अच्छा, from 2 amino acid we get 1 peptide bond. 3 amino acid we get 2 peptide bond. 8 amino acid we get n minus 1 peptide bonds. अच्छा, number of peptide bonds formula is equal to n minus 1 amino acids. How many peptide bonds are formed? Nothing but n minus 1 amino acids. देखो, so from 2 amino acid we get 1 peptide bond. I go for 3 amino acid, 1 more peptide bond. This is a polymer. You know, proteins nothing but polymers of what are monomer is alpha amino acids only. अच्छा, for example, one more unit I can add it over this side. One more molecule added to this side, I can remove hydrogen. One more molecule added to this side, I can remove this OH. So what they call technical terminology, this is called C terminal. Terminology C terminal बोलते हैं. This end is called C terminal end. This end is called N terminal end. अच्छा, dipeptide is formed from 3 amino acids. Tripeptide is formed from 4 amino acids. अच्छा, number of peptide bond is equal to amino acid minus 1. N minus 1 peptide bonds will be formed from N amino acids. So this is N terminal and C terminal. What is terminology? What we are using? So if suppose in between 2 to 10 peptide bonds is called oligopeptide bonds. 10 to 15 peptide bonds are called polypeptides. अच्छा, we know proteins में polypeptides हैं, 3-dimensional peptides हैं. More than 50. अच्छा, insulin having 51 amino acids, of course. Insulin also treated as a protein also. But more than 50 amino acids are what we call as a proteins. अच्छा, simple classification है. What are peptide bond है? What is the oligopeptides है? What is the polypeptides है? What is the proteins है? अच्छा, proteins are nothing but the building blocks of alpha amino acids only. देखो, अच्छा, 2 amino acid నుంచి మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? ఒక రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ పెప్టైడ్ బాండ్, CONH బాండ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ పెప్టైడ్ బాండ్ అంటాం. When 3 amino acids are combined, we get 2 peptide bonds. Like if n amino acids are combined, we get n minus 1 peptide bonds. Like these are examples. No need to mug up these values, sir. Very simple thing. Very simple example you can consider. Then what is dipeptide, tripeptide? Tripeptide obtained from 4 amino acids. Dipeptide obtained from 3 amino acids. Right? अच्छा, देखो, similarly when 4, 5, 6 amino acids are linked with peptide linkage, the respective products are known as tetrapeptide. These are called oligopeptides simply. Instead of go for tetra, penta, hexa, respectively, one simple term we using oligopeptides. अच्छा, more than 10 peptide bonds, what we call the polypeptides only. अच्छा, more than 50 high molecular weight polypeptides are called proteins only. Simple description. What is peptide? What is oligopeptide? What is a polypeptide? What are the nothing but proteins only. More than 50 amino acids, high molecular mass, high molecular weight polypeptides are called proteins only. But for your kind of information, insulin hormone, insulin may 51 amino acids are there. So even though insulin is treated as a proteins also, but other than insulin, more than 50 amino acids are should be there. Then only those are called proteins. अच्छा, which of the following molecule is capable of forming deuterions? Deuterion formation. Amino acid होना चाहिए, both amino group होना चाहिए, acidic group होना चाहिए, basic and amino group. Not only glycine. Amino acids are अच्छा, colorless correct है no, crystalline solids are correct है no, soluble in water correct, not insoluble in water incorrect. Which of the following statement is not correct? Proteins are polyamides formed. Polyamides. Except glycine, all other amino acids shows optical activity. Natural proteins are made up of L isomers of amino acids. In alpha amino acids, NH2COH groups are attached to different carbon atoms. Same carbon atom. Alpha amino acids and alpha amino acids. अच्छा, COH NH2 attached to same carbon atom. different carbon atoms ఇచ్చారు, which is incorrect. Right? Peptide అంటే అంతే కదా, amide కదా, CW1NH, CONH2 కదా amide, దానిలో నుంచి వచ్చిందే కదా peptide bond. అంటే nylon 6 is polypeptide amides అంట. nylon 6 nylon 6 లో వచ్చేది ఏంటి, CW1NH గ్రూపే కదా, పాలిమరైజేషన్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది. ఎడిపిక్ యాసిడ్ హెక్సామిథిలిన్ డైమీన్, ఎడిపిక్ యాసిడ్ లో NH2H, COH, ఎడిపిక్ యాసిడ్ లో COH, పాలీపెప్టైడ్ అంటాం, పాలిఎమైడ్స్ అంటాం nylon 6. దానిలో వచ్చే బాండ్ కూడా పెప్టైడ్ బాండ్. ఒకసారి పాలిమర్స్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. మరి ఎక్సై మీ ఇక్కడ మనం ఎలా రాస్తామా, హెక్సామిథిలిన్ డైమీన్ రాస్తామా, ఎడిపిక్ యాసిడ్ రాస్తామా, ఎడిపిక్ యాసిడ్ రాస్తాం ఇలా. अच्छा, रिमूवल of water molecule over here, removal of water molecule over here na, NH-CONH bond peptide bond ఉంది na, polypeptides అంటాం nylon 6 polypeptides అంటాం. caprolactam also అంతే, nylon 6 గా nylon 6 గా. देखो ये वाला दिस एमाइड्स एमिनो एसिड्स प्रोटीन्स में कुछ भी नहीं, ఇక ప్రైమరీ స్ట్రక్చర్, సెకండరీ టెరిషరీ కోఆర్డినేట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ బయాలజీలో కూడా నేర్చుకుని ఉంటాం మనకి. అన్యూక్లిక్ యాసిడ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ సింపుల్ ఫర్ యూ. సో ది మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ లో గ్లూకోజ్, ఫ్రక్టోజ్, మాల్టోజ్, లాక్టోజ్, లైక్ సుక్రోజ్, స్టార్చ్ లో ఎమైలోజ్, ఎమైలోపెక్టిన్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, టుమారో విల్ స్టార్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ చాప్టర్.